Hi viewers, in this tutorial I will teach you about a very important lesson of Photoshop, that how we create a frame in our picture and how we add a keyframe in our picture. First of all, we open any image. For example, we open this image. Now in front of you, this image. Select Move tool, unlock the layer. First of all, you take guidelines, top, bottom, and right, left. After that, select. When you click here, rectangle, rounded rectangle, and all these tools, but we want here rectangle tool. Reset all tools from here. Rectangle tools. Click here at the corner of guideline and left click, press and drag your mouse to the bottom side here. Now release left key of mouse. You observe that a rectangle of a black color is here, but now go to fill. We want here is no color. Now go to stroke. Thickness of stroke is created. If you want to stroke color, select color picker and this one. Okay, now the color of stroke is selected from the leaves. After that, you want to hide the guideline. Control plus H key. Guideline is hide. Is a short key of guideline. After that, you want to select this rectangle again. Press Control key and click here. Now you observe the marching arts appear. After that, you select leaves layer, creating layer mask. When you create a layer mask, the outer area is white. After that, go to properties panel. Density is decreased. When you decrease density, you observe that here is some leaves are showing. If you go to this 50%, visibility is too much clear. Now, very good effects here. This is a simple tutorial that how we create a add keyframe. Thanks.